Hi, this is Sal with. Wow, that's different. This is Sal with Cucina Napolitana 4, and I am using a stand that the people that I love, my niece, gave to me, and I am going to show how to prep again, as my godson told me. So I'm putting down the stand, and I will show you today. Oh, by the way, today we're making another tuna salad. But this is a little bit different from the one I made before. Tomato. Very simple. Right over the plate. This is good for bachelors, single people like me. And you cut it. I like to have my tomatoes a little bit bigger than normal because they break up, especially the store-bought ones, unless you get organic. Here we go. 2 tomatoes. Real simple, fast and quick. I use a paring knife. Look how quick this is. Boom, boom. Oh, by the way, this is Sal with Cucina Napolitano 4. 2 tomatoes. Any kind of lettuce, I guess. I've already peeled the outside, so it's fine. Don't have to keep cleaning it. And I use my hands, so I just break it up. You can cut it. You can use a cutting board if you like. My hands are clean. I cleaned them. And then here's a really neat thing that I do with a red onion. Just cut the top. I learned this at a restaurant I worked at when I was younger. And just cut it in 4s. Or more if you like. And here's the onions. I mean, it's just really simple. Oh, I forgot to peel it. So cut the bottom. I'm just a little excited here, I guess. Take off the skin. I don't think you could see it, but I did cut it in 4s. You can make another slice here if you like, another slice here if you want it thinner. However, I like my onions to be big. And I put about, I guess I don't know how to measure, so what I do is a quarter of the onion. I just put in here, so you see here, I like this. You see here, you got your tomatoes, you got your lettuce, and you got your red onions. Very colorful, isn't it? Well, this is Sal, Cucina Napolitano 4 again. I did forgot to say I want to give a shout out to the Marines. I have a family member who is a Marine. So, thanks for serving. Here we go. Back here. Now I'm going to add some black beans. You can use any kind of beans you want. And I add 2 cans of tuna. The reason why is because it says 5 ounces on here. However, that weight, it's about 3 ounces. When I was 4 ounces. Oh, I'm sorry. 4 ounces. When I was growing up, it was 7 ounces. So I put 2 cans of tuna, half a can of the black beans. Hope you're seeing this. Good. And now I have a treat for you. What I'm going to do is, I can't do this. I have a treat for you. What I'm going to do is show you how to make a house dressing. You know how when you go to a restaurant, they say, well, we have a house dressing. Well, an Italian house dressing. I'm going to show you how to make it when I come back. I have a bottle here that when I went to Galena, which I do miss. I'd like to go back there again. A funnel. In Italian we call it an omude. So what we're going to do is we're going to add extra virgin olive oil. going to add, I love, is red balsamic vinegar.
Get into the near post again, cut out by Nestorovsky. Too many wasted set pieces at the moment.
One, only one
Castrovilli.
red crushed pepper.
Couple of corners, just being far too easy to defend.
Mint.
Kevin Lasagna, stripped and ready to come
The
on.
fresh one from the yard, that's what I use. But you could use any mint. About a handful. Again, I don't measure anything, it's just the way I guess I was raised.
First it appears Fiorentina will take this corner.
And I use sea salt and everything. Well, this is more of a for fish dressing. I guess you can have different kinds of dressings, but the dressing that I'm using is for fish. I used a fork to push it down because it kind of got stuck in the funnel. But that's your house dressing. That's my house dressing anyway. And then you can just keep it for a good 6 months, 9 months. Sometimes you can use old spices. So then you can, keep, replenish them with new spices. So here it is. There's a house dressing that I just created right now. And I'm going to drizzle it on. It's ready to use. I'm going to drizzle it on the tuna salad, which I've made before, but this time the difference was I showed you how to make a house Italian dressing. I wanted to show you how it looks. Isn't that nice? I mean, I don't know if you can see the flakes in there. Don't need to shake it. This is not like vodka where you shake or stir. It will settle by itself. I'm going to put it by the window, get some sun on it, and it probably just tastes better. Alrighty then, well, I'm going to top it off with some capers, nonpareil, that's what I like. 2 fork fills. And my favorite, Pecorino Romano. This is a very healthy salad, tuna salad, which I made before. However, this time I did show you. Take a look at that. I did show you how to make your own house dressing. Bottle it. Like I said, I got it by the window over there. Different variations if you like. If you want to use oregano instead of mint, you can. I like mint because I love fish salad. Maybe one day I will do octopus. Please subscribe. Cucina Napolitano 4. This is Sal. Thank you. Ciao.